Welcome to week 2 in your SVA online marketing class. Just a few reminders. Remember, here's where I add daily announcements and communications. If you need to talk to me, you can fill out this request online meeting anytime of the year. You should need to make sure you have finished all of the assignments for the first week. The student information form that was emailed to you, or it's right here, you were to do the scavenger hunt by going through all these pages and then completing the 2 discussions here on the student introduction activities. Make sure you went back and told us what your lie was in 3 Truths and a Lie. Those were kind of fun. So this week you have your course glossary, but we're going into Unit 1, and if we look at our calendar, next Monday, the 20th, 1.01 and 1.02 is due. So that calendar is a good tool to use to keep up with what we have to do and where we're going. So 1.01, you will have at the top of each page an assignment list. And if it has the word notebook, that means it's something you should be putting in your notebook. It's not for a grade, but it's worthy of going into your notebook. You'll need that later to study for your exam. And then you have the ones listed as assignment. So you have your essential questions, and you can see it says notebooks here, your learning targets, your criteria for success, and your introduction. The think about it, have you ever bought something just because you knew the price couldn't be beaten? And you just think about this. There's nothing for you to do. You just think about it. It opens you up to the lesson. And here's the vocabulary words for this lesson. And if you click here, I would put these in my notebook, definitely. But you can go to the course glossary to find those vocabulary. Then we have your notes. It says, please take notes in your notebooks as you go through the following PowerPoint. And we are in an online class, so I assume you know how to take notes. And so you're just to go through that PowerPoint and take notes so that you can do well on the exam. Then your first assignment is a discussion. And remember, in discussions, you have to talk to each other and to me. So once you post, you're not done. You have to go back and forth throughout the week. So your first discussion is on Henry Ford's quote, "Customers can have any color Model T they want as long as it is black." Well, what if they sold cars like that today? And that's what you're talking about in this discussion. So to do a discussion for my new folks, you click Discuss and New Post. And the subject can be whatever to help you remember. And you would put your discussion here. If you start working on it and you don't finish it, you can save the draft and come back. But if you do that, make sure you don't forget to come back and post it. Some people will think they've done it and they haven't. And then you will comment on other people's posts within the discussion. Then we have our chapter book. These are called laps. That's short for your book. And what you're going to do here is you're going to read the chapter and open a Google Doc. Copy and paste these questions, or you can click on this link, and you would have to file and make a copy, file and make a copy, and you answer these questions as you go through the book up here. So you answer these questions as you read through the chapter, and then you hand it in right there. And at the bottom you have another one that's not a grade, but it's something very important that I wouldn't put it up here. Social media is becoming such a vital, important part of marketing. So you watch the video and you think about these questions, but you don't have to turn anything in for this one. And that is 1.01. So then you're ready for 1.02. And again, you have at the top a list of your assignments and what goes in your notebook. Your essential questions, your learning targets, criteria, again, your vocabulary. And if you click on this, it takes you to that glossary page. In 102, we're talking about the 7 functions of marketing and their importance. So you're going to take the notes as you do the PowerPoint, go through the PowerPoint that I've created for you. And then we have an ethics case study. And you're going to read this and discuss it just like any other discussion. This is a real world problem. Then you have your chapter book, your lap, working the big 7, and you're going to do like you did before. You're going to answer the questions, copy and paste them into a Google Doc, then complete the questions as you go through the chapter and then hand them in. And then we have another assignment, Marketing Happens Anywhere, where you're going to open this document. You're going to match the function to the scenario. And this is for a grade. You can use your notes to help you, so it should not be too big a deal. And then you have your practice quiz for 101 and 102. Now you're going to notice that you can take the quiz up to like 10 times. I don't view these as quizzes, like a test. I view these as a way for you to learn. So you just take it as many times as you need to get the grade of 100, but it helps you learn what kind of questions you might see on that end of course test. So that is what you're going to be doing for January 20th. I hope if you have any questions that you will send me a message through Remind or email. I appreciate all of you that reached out to me this week, and you're doing great work. So that is what we're doing this week. I hope you're enjoying the class so far, and I'm enjoying just reading your discussions. So talk to you soon.